Today we're talking about notes on the guitar, starting with the open strings. The open strings are E, A, D, G, B, E. I like to remember this by saying Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, bye, Eddie. One of my students showed me that a while ago. It sticks. So, now that we know the names of the open strings, we need to know the names of the notes going up the neck. This is the musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, back to A. We don't get to H. That's it. If this is the first open string, E, the next note in the alphabet is F. Notice that you have a dot here. Well, I have a dot here. Some guitars do. Some guitars don't. But the way you can remember it is F is first fret. F, 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 first fret. So after E in the alphabet comes F in the first fret. Got it? Okay. Next, we have a dot. G is next. After G comes A. Remember, after G comes A. That's the next dot. The next dot is B. Stop there. The system starts to break down a little bit after that. And besides, I find it easier to remember this double dot here. It looks like that on some guitars. See the double dot? The double dot, like this, you can see that double dot right there, means that you've reached the 12th fret. There's 12 total notes in music, and the names of the notes on the double dot are the same as the open strings. So once again, we get Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, bye, Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. And so it's easier to remember that if this is E, that's D. Anyway, I'd like you to remember F, G, A, and B. Go up to the 7th fret. Stop there. The next string is A, and although you probably like to think that this is B, it isn't. It's B flat. B is this note, 2nd fret. The 3rd fret, though, when you start on the 3rd fret, the system continues. C is on a dot. D is on a dot. E is on a dot. And that gets us to the 7th fret again. So, to review, open A. 2nd fret of the open A string is B. A, B, C is the 3rd fret. And we're on the dots now. D, E. The notes in between the dots are accidentals. They have two names. If this is F in the 1st fret and this is G in the 3rd fret, the note in between is F sharp. A sharp raises a note, or it's G flat. A flat lowers a note. So F sharp, G. G sharp, or A flat. A flat will lower a note. A sharp in between the two dots, or B flat, same note. A, open string, B flat or A sharp, B, C, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, and E, same as the open E string. That gives you the first, the lowest strings, E and A, and it also gives you the high string, E. These E strings are the same, E, F,